Hi, I'm Pete Pryor with Cantech, here to talk about EntraPass. EntraPass is a total security solution which greatly enhances security by providing a link between access, intrusion, and video events. This gives a full spectrum of control, monitoring, response, and evidence documentation. So why would you want to integrate intrusion to access control? Well, there's some great reasons for integrating intrusion. Using DSC panels with EntraPass software, you now have the ability to provide that single user interface for both access and intrusion functions. With integration to a DSC panel, we can now do panel programming directly through the EntraPass user interface. This allows for a much easier and smoother programming option for installation and maintenance. In addition to programming, we also have the ability to receive events. Through receiving events from an alarm control, we can now use these events to trigger other options by tagging them to video or making reports and recordings of different events through the intrusion panel. Through the user interface of EntraPass, we also have the ability for manual operations. We can literally turn systems on and off, partitions on and off, in that intrusion panel. By integrating the intrusion panel, we have the ability also to import the intrusion components onto our graphics screens. Now we can import actual alarm devices and alarm zones into our floor plans as part of our picture and background. This allows the operator to much more conveniently access devices and arm partitions and locations. One of the great features of integrating with the DSC panel to EntraPass is the virtual keypad option. This literally gives us a graphical interface of the keypad that hangs on the wall. It's a very familiar keypad to users and installers both, and it allows us the opportunity to be able to do anything we'd want to do with the keypad hanging on the wall with a point and click through a mouse. We can literally turn systems on and off wherever they exist in the world, wherever we have network connectivity. Integration gives us the opportunity to use the access control system and its card reader to arm and disarm an alarm system. No longer needing a 4-digit PIN, now you use a secure, solid credential in the form of a card itself. This allows for greater users overall, as each individual user can have their own set of rules regarding the use of the alarm system. For additional information on integration of DSC intrusion panels to EntraPass systems, please go to cantech.com.